Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to select target location and target audience in a Google AdWords account. First of all, we will start by creating a new keyword targeted campaign. So if we click here on the keyword targeted button, we will be able to start inputting the data for our new campaign. As you can see, it's taking a bit of time to load, but here we go. First of all, we need to select a name for our new campaign. So let's say our new campaign would be called DVD recorders. If we are selling DVD recorders, it's a good name. Let's say this would be Sony DVD recorders, just some that will be our group, a branch or a particular make of DVD, just to know what we are doing. As I said previously in previous lessons, it's always good to have in mind that once your campaign expands, it will become quite hard to find what you need, so it's always good to use meaningful names that will help you distinguish where your resources are. So now we start with the targeting option. First of all, you have one type of targeting option, which is target customers by language. This is actually Google lets you select what sort of language do you want people to be speaking who see your ad. So let's say for this example, because this is not the main topic, we will select English, and so you just have to click, it's very simple, on English, and that is selected. Now you just highlight it. If you want to select multiple languages, let's say, you can use Control, but for the moment let's leave it in English. And here is the main topic of our tutorial: how to target customers by location. There are three options which Google allows you to use. First of all, you can do countries and territories. So here in this option you select specific countries, for example United Kingdom or United States or Spain, depending on where you'll be advertising. Second option is regions and cities. In this particular option, you can actually select specific regions in a country or specific cities. Maybe you're selling only to customers who are based in Manchester or Newcastle, so maybe you can go and select Manchester and Newcastle. Customize, a bit more in-depth and advanced option for users who actually sell to specific areas. Say for example you have pizza shop in central London and you only deliver like 5 miles away from, or 10 miles maybe, let's say, from your pizza shop. So maybe you can select a central point, which would be your postcode, and then input the distance which you want to go around to deliver your pizzas. We'll start first by countries and territories, just to show you each options in the video. So let's go to countries and territories. We click next. At the moment, as you can see, we have Bulgaria selected for us. It's very simple, the procedure. If you want to remove a country, you go to the remove button and click it, and it's now removed. Now our selected countries and territories is obviously blank. So what you need to do is go down the list, find obviously where you want to be advertising. For example, for our case, we want to advertise in England, and let's say maybe we want to do France as well. You can use buttons on your keyboard in order to go to specific letter. That may help speed up the process. So let's say add France as well. So as you can see, this is very easy. All you need to press continue and your location options would be saved. But for this example, we'll go back and try some of the other targeting options. So let's go again down here, target customers by location. Let's try regions and cities now. This particular type of targeting, you can select obviously your country. So let's say United Kingdom. Particular type of targeting, you can select obviously your country. So let's say United Kingdom, and here first of all you go and you have the options, because United Kingdom is made of a few different countries. For example, just select countries like England or Wales. The other option obviously is to provide, if we remove those, again very simple, click on remove, provide specific cities, as I said, for example maybe Manchester or Newcastle maybe would be good locations for us. Again, press continue, but for our example again it's very simple. You can see we have it provides you basically with the location. As you can see, Manchester in England, Newcastle, Northern Ireland. Okay, let's go back. It's very simple again. You can see maybe you can do Spain just to give you another idea. Let's go to S, should help us, Spain. And again, you have specific cities. Let's say we wanna advertise in Barcelona or something. There you go. And in Madrid, which is so again very simple. Okay, so that covers the second targeting options. Now we're gonna go back and have a look at the